Okay, well, here's another update. So far we got the top on and we got the side rails on. Two pieces of 1/4 inch, 8 foot long. So this is steel, mild steel. So 245s. It's 45 inches from the top to here all the way over to here. So it's not quite 4 feet, but it'll be kick-ass. Drill holes all the way down, make sure everything's centered. You know. So far, it's coming out really cool. The thing is rock solid. Can't even move it. It's huge, heavy, big old tank. Piece of MDF. And I had to knock off that little piece right there. I'm not sure what the size of it is, so my actual table distance will be so a little over 39, almost 4 feet, but that's good enough for me. I couldn't go 4 feet because I couldn't pull the gantry past my own legs, so I have to build it the size that I can build it. So, and look at that big old chunk of monster steel, big old I-beam. I'm going to make that my 4 foot, cut that off, and that's going to be my Y that runs across, and it'll come down. And I got all these, I took, I had a set of roller blades and one skateboard. So that is going to be my rails, and they're going to sit in that type of arrangement on the machine. One for one side, one for the other, and then this will be my Y. So they'll sit kind of like that on blocks, and then these rail right here will run right through the middle, and I took each one of these and machined off the top, and then I'll put a 1/4 inch ball nose groove right down the center of that so that they'll ride right down the middle of that. I'm sure over time, you know, I'll have to do something different, but it should last for quite some time. And then these will be on the channel. This material here, I got 2 4-footers, and they'll sit in here down, and then I'll have my wheels set on those 2 rails on a plate that can adjust, and then my Z will hook to that, and then my Z will move up and down on there. So there's a little bit more of an update. We're getting a lot further with it. I'm trying to get as much done as I possibly can, but it is going to be one big bad boy when it's all said and done. Alright, well, talk to you later.